Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you. In this new video, I'll be trading with OTC pairs. If you remember, OTC pairs only appear during the weekend and during the night. This is because the stock exchange is closed during this time, and so the broker makes them available for you so that you can be able to trade at any time. This is very convenient, especially if you're working during the day and you don't have time to trade then. You can trade at night and during the weekend. And also, I have created an open Telegram channel which you can join via the link in the description box down below. In this channel, I will share stock news and stock videos. I also have a closed private chat in Telegram. You need to write me personally with the code word MoneyTeam, and I'll add you to this chat so that you can be able to receive trading signals once a day and be able to copy my trades as well. So let's get trading. Hi everyone, so as I said before, today we are trading with OTC pairs because it's a weekend, and the broker makes them available during this time so that you can be able to trade during the weekend and at night time. So today we'll only trade with technical analysis because it does not support fundamental analysis. So let's work out the first situation. Well, here you can see two levels. I can see inner and main support level. So let me go to the current trade. Here you can see that price is going down and price maximum is getting lower. So I think I'll open a trade for 3 minutes with a decrease, because after maybe a small bounce up, movement will continue down to main support level. So let me wait and see the results. So as I assumed, the bounce up happened and movement down continued, and I've collected my profit. So let me continue. As you can see here, there is support level and the price impulsively approached this level and there was a small bounce up, and now the price is again approaching the inner level and is sticking to the level. And also you can see that the price maximum is getting lower. So I'm going to open a 3-minute trade with a decrease, expecting the price to keep moving to our level and break through it. So let's wait for the results and see. Wonderful. The price continued moving down and broke through this level, and I have collected very good profit. So let me find the next trade. Here there is resistance level. The price touched this level and then bounced down. After that, movement upwards resumed. So here I will enter a trade with 3 minutes with an increase because the movement upwards will continue. So let me wait and see the results. Awesome, the movement upwards resumed and breakthrough of the level happened, and we have collected my profit. So let me find another OTC pair to trade on. Well, here you can see the support level and the price bounced to the descending trend line. So I'm going to enter a 3-minute trade with a decrease because I can see a very good downtrend and the price maximum is getting lower. And the price will continue moving to the support level and maybe break through it. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's wonderful. From the descending trend line, price movement continued and I've got my good profit. So I'll continue trading. Well, in the situation here is similar as the one before. As you can see, there is a downtrend and there is support level, and the price is also moving to the descending trend line. So I'm going to enter a 3-minute trade with a decrease because I'm expecting the price to break through this level. So I'm going to wait for the results and see. Well, it's fabulous. As you can see, movement down continued and price broke through support level, and I've got very good profit. So let me continue and find another trade. Here you can see resistance level. Moreover, at the moment there is a small pullback happening. So I am going to enter a 2-minute trade with an increase, expecting price to break through the resistance level and go higher. So let's cross our fingers and wait for the results. Well, wonderful. The level was broken through and I've collected my profit. So here you can see resistance level and a good upward movement. The price is sticking to the resistance level, so I am going to enter a 2-minute trade with an increase because I'm expecting the price to break through this level and go higher. So let me wait for the results and see. Well, it's lit. After a small flat, the upward movement continued and this level was broken through and it has brought me good profit. So let me find another trade to continue on. Here you can see support level and price has touched this level and bounced up, and after a while it's again approaching this level. So I'm going to enter a 3-minute trade with a decrease and wait for the results. Well, it's awesome. Downward movement continued and I've collected my profit. So let me continue trading and see. Here you can see the current downtrend to the support level and there is still a place. So I'm going to enter a trade with a decrease for 5 minutes, expecting a small rollback up to the descending trend line and downward movement to continue. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's lit. After a small rollback up, movement down resumed and I've got pretty good profit. So let me keep on trading. So here I can see there has been a very good downtrend and now the movement down is continuing and the support level is lower. So I'm going to open a 3-minute trade with a decrease and wait for the result. Well, it's wonderful. Price slowed down a little, but it didn't interrupt movement down and I've got my profit. So let me continue trading. Here you can see support level and price maximum is getting lower. There is a downtrend going on, so I am going to enter a 3-minute trade with a decrease, expecting the level to be broken through. So let's check it and see. Well, I like this. Price continued moving to this level and then broke through it as I predicted. So now let me find another trade and continue trading. Here I can see there has been a very strong uptrend. The price touched the resistance level and then bounced down, and after a small flat it has continued to move back up and it has been sticking to the level. So I'm going to open a 3-minute trade with an increase and I'll cross my fingers and wait and see the results. Well, it's lit. After a small bounce down, the upward movement continued and the level was broken through and I've got my profit. So I'll continue trading. Here there is a strong downtrend and lower there is support level. So I'm going to enter a 2-minute trade with a decrease, expecting for downward movement to continue. So let me wait and see the results. Well, that was good. The movement down continued and I've got my profit, and now my deposit is $900. So let me enter my last trade for today. Here I can see very good uptrend. The resistance level is higher, so I'm entering a 1-minute trade with an increase, expecting the price to continue moving to the resistance level. As you can see, the resistance level is in the level 0.93160 and there is potential for this trend to approach this level. So I'm going to cross my fingers and wait for the results. Well, it's very good. As I thought, the price continued moving to this level and it has brought me fabulous profits. And now my deposit is $1,300, and I'm going to stop my trade here for today. So guys, as you saw, it's relatively easy to trade with OTC pairs. They're only available at night and on the weekend, which makes it convenient for people who cannot trade during the weekdays. And remember, they only support technical analysis. They do not support fundamental analysis. So guys, don't forget, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. You need to write me via my personal chat with the code word money team, and I'll add you to this chat so that you can be able to receive trading signals once a day and be able to copy my trading charts and make some profit. I also have a link down in the description box. This link is to an open chat where I'll post stock news and stock videos so that you can be able to follow trading news around the world. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to comment down below. And don't forget to share this video and hit the notification button. Until next time, bye-bye.